Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Please remember, just leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And if you know a juice recipe you want me to do, or baking, cooking, anything special, let me know in the comment section, okay guys? Alright. Now we're gonna make some healthy detox, weight loss, body repair, immunity support, full of antioxidants, natural cranberry apple juice with some ginger. I'm not gonna put any lime or lemon because the cranberry, you know, have what more of a sour taste. So we're gonna add some honey to taste, just a little bit. All right, let's get blending. I bought this cranberry in the supermarket and I had it in the fridge. So I'm gonna pour some because I did want to make natural cranberry juice, so I'm gonna leave some of it for that purpose. So I use half pack, and I have 2 apples and some ginger. And I don't know if all of it can hold in there, so let's just pour it on in. There. Okay. And oh, it smells good already. And we're gonna add some water. And that's it. That will blend everything. I'm not gonna add any more water. All right, and we're gonna blend away. And let's blend. All right, we're gonna strain this bad boy. We're gonna strain it. Oh boy. And you want to take a spoon and you want to mix it like this and rub it out until a little or nothing left. It smells so good though. Oh my god, the cranberry with the apple smells really good, really good. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. I'm not gonna put much. How about a tablespoon? You can put 2. And that's it. It smells so good though. Oh, it smells so good with the ginger. Smells good. All right, my peeps, we're just gonna serve up some. Let's mix this out first. All right, my peeps, I'm just gonna put 1, 2 cubes of ice. And here goes. Woo! So good. So refreshing. Try this out. Okay, guys? And I pour the rest in the mason jar. And I got this cute lid from Amazon. I will leave a link. There. Turn it around. So I got these cute little lid from Amazon and I will leave a link. All right, that's it my peeps. Really refreshing and delicious. It's gonna clean your body, it's gonna build your immune system, packed with antioxidants, lots of health benefits. All right guys, good immunity support right here, good detox, weight loss, superfood. All right, or super juice. I have this stylish umbrella. It better hold. Yes, stay there guys. Yes. Something like so. And let's just put a little piece of lemon. Yes. All right guys, I'm in business now, just for decoration purpose. All right my peeps, love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye, guys. I should have put some sugar around the rim next time. You have a good day.